Hello guys, so I'm gonna make a ring showing a design that I think it's usually called scallop cutters. It's gonna be a bezel set, so let's go step by step, okay? So first thing, I'm gonna read the finger rail, and then I'm going to use Gemvision ring rail, maybe slightly like this, okay? We will change it later, but just gonna go step by step, okay? So let's go to shaded, and now what I'm going to do is just create a bezel. I always use this, okay? So something like this looks great so far, and I'm just gonna toggle this option. And now what I'm going to do using parametric commands is make an offset. 0.9 is fine. And now I'm gonna select these two lines and I'm gonna extrude them. So remember that you can filter parametric command here, and now you can quite easily find extrude. I'm gonna make it a solid, so cap yes, and both sides yes, okay? So now that I got this, what I can do is make Boolean intersection, this one and this one, and I get this, okay? So this is what I want, but something quite important. I want to show the bezel again, okay? So it's here, and now I want to select this line and do extrude again, but just only the one on the outside, okay? Just the offset, and then cap on both sides again. Okay, and now what I'm using is Boolean difference, okay? So what do I have now? If I separate things in layers, okay, what I see now is that I got a bezel and this section over here. I'm going to show you in a second why I'm doing this. But now if I change the ring size to something bigger, everything will update, okay? Because everything is parametric. So I have this, and now what I'm going to do is use the scallop cutter and work on something similar to this. I'm going to change the profile to something like this, okay? And I'm going to use Boolean difference, okay? You can see where I'm going with this, okay? So now what I want to do is create a new set of scallop cutters, but what I've done is create a new profile that is upside down. So because I have that, what I can do now is this. So as you can see, what I'm doing is just making the cutter smaller, and now I will just rotate it this way, okay? I'm not sure how this is gonna look, but because I'm using parametric commands, I can simply edit that. So for example, now these windows at the bottom are too big, so all I would need to do is find the scallop cutters and bring it down. Maybe I want a bit more like that. Okay, that's a bit better. Okay, so that's pretty much done. Yeah, so as you can see, what I've done is use a bezel. Oh, this is not done, sorry. What I need to do also here is extend this one a bit further, okay? Now it's done. Okay, so as you can see, what I've done is use the bezel and scallop cutters for the top, and then scallop cutters again for the bottom here to create these windows. This allows me to change the model as I wish. I can still change the bezel like that, okay, and the overall shape changes, okay? And the cool thing about this is that I have a straight line. It's not wavy, it's not curved, so it's quite easier. It's easier to polish and to clean after casting. And because everything is parametric, I can very easily and very quickly change finger size. I can even go to Gemvision ring rail and change shape, okay? And it's changing really quick, really easy. So I can go also to around and change size, and it will change, okay? And I can always go back to scallop cutters, and if I want to change it, I can very easily change the windows, okay? So that was a quick tutorial how to make a scallop cutter with windows at the bottom. I hope you find it helpful. Please try to do it and let me know how that goes. Thank you.